Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline, and in this video we're going to look at how we stop on skis or how we slow down. This is a common question we get asked, if we get cut up or it gets a little bit busy or someone gets in your way or it's a little bit icy or any other reason why you would want to slow yourself down or come to an abrupt stop. This is how you can go about doing it. So essentially, if I ski down here, okay, if I twist my skis across my direction of travel and I tip them up onto their edges, that's going to slow me down, or the more abruptly I do it, it's going to stop me. So as I go down here, I twist my skis against my direction of travel and I tip them up onto their edges. That way then it stops me as I go. What I feel like is if I twist my skis to the right hand side, I need to make sure that right foot is a little bit light. So I flex that leg a little bit just to help me get that right foot a bit light as I then start to tip my skis up onto the side. If that leg is heavy and I tip them over, then I might lose that balance a little bit towards the mountain and I might slip out as I do it. So make sure as you're coming down, tipping them left, make that left foot nice and light as you roll those skis over. If you want to stop to the right, make sure that right foot is nice and light as you start to tip those skis over as you're going down. Cool. Give this one a try when you're next out on the hill. The more abrupt you tip those skis over and the more across the direction of travel your skis are pointing, then the quicker you're going to come to a stop. So be prepared for it. Give it a try and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.